Pinch the tire with one hand and use a hexagonal socket to remove the nut. Remove the nuts. Take down the tires. Remove the brake disc adapter. Remove the metal shaft. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the shock absorber. Remove the screw from the front upper swing arm. Remove the damaged front universal transmission shaft part. Install the new front universal transmission shaft parts. Install the front upper swing arm. Install the screws. Tighten the screws. Install the shock absorber. Tighten the screws. Install the metal shaft. Install the brake disc adapter. Install the tire. Install the nuts. Use a hexagonal socket to tighten the nut.